Hi guys, I'm doing a little walkthrough of the web app I've been working on. So, for the last 2 months, I've been working on this social media web app called Film of the Day. It's like Instagram, but to share your favorite movies and TV shows with your friends. It's like recommendation and discover movies type of a thing. And my primary purpose was to actually implement and my .NET, ASP .NET skills and try to build something that is usable. And so I got this idea of building this app. And some of the features of the app are like you can create an account, log in, register, and once you are logged in, you can connect with your friends, you can create posts, you can see your posts on the home feed, and you can see your personal posts on your profile feed, and on the home feed you'll see all the posts from your friends and your posts. And yeah, you have like basic features like Instagram, and currently it has all like 4 or 5 of its features working properly. So let's do a walkthrough and let's see how it looks. So the landing page actually takes you to the login page, but if you don't have an account, let's create one. I'll just give the username of Praful. And because I'm not using any OTP authentication for the email right now, I can put any email address and it should work. Although I plan to fix it in the future updates. Okay, once the account is created, we can log in and see. Okay, I put the wrong password, but you can see the password checks work. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I just use that password. But yeah, once you log in, you can see on the home feed, it just says no post to show yet, start following friends or create your first post. So we can start following friends, but before that, we can go and check out the profile feed. This is how it looks like. You'll see your posts here and your saved posts here. You can see you have 0 friends, 0 posts. That's all right. And in this search bar, we can search for other users. So basically, this search uses like username or Gmail, like whatever the email is, and from that it searches for like keywords. And because all the accounts I have created for testing have like a at gmail.com thing in them, if I just put G here, I can see all the apps, like all the users. And Praful, this is me. This is the current user. If I go here, it just takes me to the profile page as if I would have clicked here. But if we go to this user, you can see they already have a post. This is the post view. It says no country for old men, a must watch. Yeah, I agree. These like, comment, and save buttons are not working as of right now. I haven't added those features yet, but they will work in the future updates. Yeah, if I click on add friend here, they already have one friend, but I don't have any friends as of now. If I click on add friend, it sends a request, and when I log in to the user account, you can see I get a red dot on the notification icon saying I have a notification, which I open. It says Praful sent you a friend request. Let's go. Let's click on view. It says accept request. Okay, I accept it. Now we are friends. Now Praful has one friend and I have 2 friends. And yeah, that's how it works. The connecting with your friends thing, I still want to add the click on the number to see all the friends here, and that should be added later. But currently we are friends with Praful, and Praful doesn't have any posts yet, but we have posts, like user has posts. So if I log out and log into praful@gmail.com and praful@123, you should be able to log in, and as you can see, I see the post from the user account on my home feed, and that's how Insta works too, right? You connect with someone, you see their posts on your home feed. So yeah, that's like connecting with your friends. And if you have to create your own post, you click here, you select for a movie, let's say Green Mile. I love that movie. I click on it, review, some random description here. I do create post. The post goes live. Now I can see my post and user's post. I get a notification saying check out your new post. So I click on it. It takes me to the post. Clicking on the name takes me to my profile. Yeah, so you can see the thing is working. You might have noticed one bug right now, that I can't really see the title that I put in while making the post. Nowhere yet. It's a bug, it's not a feature. It needs to be fixed. It'll be done in the next update. But yeah, and talking about the software or how I built this app, I used, like, for front end, I used ASP.NET's Razor Pages, which is like a combination of HTML, CSS, C Sharp, and JavaScript, also jQuery. So that's the front end. And for styling the website, I use Tailwind CSS. For backend, it uses ASP.NET Core MVC with clean architecture. I think clean architecture is like really cool, and I learned about it, and it's like onion architecture, and it basically separates the core functionalities of the app, like create a post, like send friend request to a user, or like the home feed or the profile feed. It separates that core logic from the database and the front end. It decouples everything, so you can change the database or you can change the front end, and the app should still work. Currently, the front end is the website or the web app, but I plan to build the mobile app for this and use the same backend and same API endpoints for everything. And if that works, so that will just prove the architecture was the right choice. And for databases, I'm using two databases. One is like one is the database for the development environment, which uses SQL Server, and for the production database I'm using PostgreSQL database, which is hosted on Render. Render is a website that you can use for like free hosting and stuff. It's not like free forever, it's like 1 month free trial, which is also where I'm hosting the website currently. As you can see, it says film of the day on Render. And because it's a free instance, it like spins down after 15 minutes of inactivity. So that's how it is, guys. Yeah, I'll keep working on it. I've been working on it every day for the last 2 months. I've learned a lot of like .NET and how to make like really scalable and modular software, which I can keep building on. And my next few goals are to like make all these features more robust, and also keep adding new features, keep making it more responsive. Currently, the whole website is responsive, by the way. If I go to inspect and do probably like a screen change to, let's say, iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can see everything still works. Like all the pages and your profile saved section, and if I go to the user, you can see we are friends. And yeah, I can also show you one more functionality that's removing a friend. If I click on it, it gives you a nice pop-up. You can say remove, and it takes you to your home page again. And if you see this user, it says add friend again. So this friend has been removed, and your profile, you don't see, you see zero friends, and your on your feed you only see your post. So yeah, all of it is working, but a lot more needs to be working too. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this walkthrough, and maybe I'll make another video talking about the GitHub repo and the code itself. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.